this morning's. I'm going to do a short blog video diary supplement looking at some of the Erythroniums that are out, particularly I suppose the forms of revolutum that are in one area. There's a single flower, there's one with two flowers. So that's straight revolutum. We'll move up here. This is a clump of Erythronium Craigton cover girl, which is a revolutum hybrid. See, it's a nice pink. It forms good clumps. If you look inside, you'll see the zone, the typical M shape in the centre, which it probably picks up from Californicum. The filaments are a different shape. So that's pale pink. What I've been looking for is a good hybrid with darker pink, and we come up here. I've got an eye on this one in particular. It's looking good. It's got good dark red stems. It's got good leaves. Something else. So there's an Erythronium Sibericum coming through the middle. In the centre of it, it's got the typical M shape, but darker. So it's a nice looking. You also see it's got the purple, pinky purple coming through on the style as well. So that's a nice one to watch. It'll be good if that one increases. But revolutum is one of the best in the garden for seeding around. Wind through this path. You can see them there. And then all these down here, yet to peak in flowering, but they're just coming into flower. These are all self-sown seedlings. And that's below rhododendron ciliatum here, which as I walk past has got a lovely scent. Looking over one of the beds, I see more pink Erythronium revolutums. A big clump there, that's going to be mini haha. The creamy white ones over there, and that group over there, they're all Erythronium oregonum. So they do get around. They are good. And here's the early spring bed where there was lots of snowdrops in Eranthus. Now it features the Erythronium revolutums mostly at the moment, going around. Primula viris and the ranunculus. Lots of nice ranunculus. That's ranunculus and then a ranunculus. It's anemone ranunculoides. So if we just walk around, we'll go past some of the troughs as I go here. Here's another clump down here of Erythronium Craigton cover girl. When they get to that sort of size, it's a good idea to maybe split them. The lovely pyrrhus, colour of the pyrrhus coming on. But let's keep walking, and because we're going round to look at some more Erythroniums round here. Past the trough with the Sanguinaria candidensis, the double Sanguinaria coming through the snowdrop leaves. And so I just want to come round past the slab beds and down here to this is a clump of Erythronium. So now I got this as Sibericum. This is the one with the plain green leaves. It's got very distinct growth, very distinct flowers, and I thought this was to be called Krylovi. Although there's some doubt that now, because apparently Krylovi has been described as only white flowers. But whatever this is, it's in the Sibericum complex. It's a great plant in the garden. There's a big one just starting to open. These have been open for a few days. Pretty plain green leaves. Flowers well ahead of here's Sibericum. This is a form of Sibericum. The leaves have got some markings on. It's only just coming out now. There's another group of the ones Krylovi. And if I come around this side, here we have a nice group of grandiflorum, Erythronium grandiflorum. Different forms of different colour pollen, so yellow pollen. Nice one with red pollen. A few more here. Another clump of the Cybericum krylovi, I'll still call it at the moment until it's cleared up. And then there's more here. More Erythronium hendersoni. So quite a few of these in the baskets are all from wild seed. So different colours, just slightly different shades and colours. You get darker ones and lighter ones. And then round to the Erythronium plunge beds, which are coming in, where we've got more revolutums and Crichton cover girls and Tuluminenses and lots more to come. So I'm going to be back here to show you more for sure. But at the moment it's really starting to get going. So we come down and it's a nice little group of, we can come down and finish with this here, a group of the different early bulbs, Narcissus, Anemone, Fritillaria, Erythronium, Muscari, all in there. So let's finish where we started with another group of Erythronium revolutum.